think this evening is a fantastic event for Brussels Airport, but also for Belgium. You know, this is a world-class facility that's really now a showpiece for not only Belgium, but for the rest of the world.
It's a great moment for Brussels Airport. It's a great moment for the development of the interior style of the airport.
We're very pleased to have, you know, the King, present, and the Prime Minister and many other ministers here. It was a fabulous event, and we're really, really excited.
They made it happen. You know, Brussels Airport made it happen.